Hello, Riverside Unified Teachers. This is Shanda Pham. I am a second grade teacher at Harrison Elementary School, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Clever. Clever is a program where our district houses many other programs for students to access. It's a one-click access for students once they get in there. For me, it's right here on my Google homepage. It's in my shortcuts. If it's not there for you, you can always type at the top clever.com and it will open this page. Students can log in as a student, or you can use this on you to log in as a teacher. Then you're looking at this screen. So this is specific to our district. If you notice here, it's Riverside Unified, and you're going to use login with Google. You choose your account. That's only because I have multiple accounts on my home computer. At school, you'll only have yours. And then it shows you a few things. So this is my specific class page. If I click that, that's where I would find other programs that I have added to my Clever through this add button. So you can do with your add button, you can add an app, you can add a link, or you can add a category. So that's where that is. Also back on the home page, there's 43 resources that our district has put in here. And then there's some stuff that's only visible to me. If I scroll down, this is similar to what you and your students would be seeing. So I have all of these in my favorites. That's what the little red heart is. These are all district programs. There's, Lexia, Brain Pop, Dreambox, Wonders. Typing Club is a fun one that the kids like. Code.org is another district one. So you'll notice the district ones all say district under them. These three on the bottom do not have that. Those are ones that I have added either through clicking the ad and doing an app or clicking the page links. And then there's what's been added by me. And then it shows remote learning opportunities. I'm sure this is newer stuff that the district has added, which is fabulous. I'm so glad they've added Zearn. I'm going to add that to my favorites. But Breakout EDU is also in here. That's a fun one I've used with my second graders. They enjoy that one. And then we have our digital textbooks and resources and some curriculum applications. And then our Google Apps are down at the bottom, along with other web links and additional applications. There's lots in here. As a teacher, you will have a homeroom. That's where we are right now. There's a library where you can search and add other programs. You can just go through this way and add other programs and other search by subject, or just kind of search through and browse. You can browse by grade level as well. And then it shows your classes. So that's my homeroom, and then I'm in a Harrison math one. So that is Clever. It's one click. They just click on it and it goes straight to the program and automatically signs in for them. Easy, easy peasy.